You go.
Ta-da!
Swimsuit ready to go. Hara probably has a better angle. Yes.
So, Harris, you told
Yeah.
your Instagrammers that you are going to be Dahlia Summer Harris and you're headed to the beach. We talked about a one piece, we talked about a two piece, we talked about a three piece for you
and
as
a
well
four
as a four
piece.
piece. Kenya can
You
make.
ever heard of a 4-piece swimsuit?
I don't know how it. I try to pick a three piece. The only three piece I can really think about is chicken, but Harris says that she.
4-piece.
So maybe there's a way to upcycle so that you cut part of that in
there?
three.
See it there? See it there?
Problem
Yeah,
solved.
I like it. I like it.
But who knew you could do that with a
No,
skirt
only
top?
Kenya. Me name Summer. Me name Summer. This year?
Dahlia Summer Harris. The four piece will be live on Smile. All right, moving right along. If your partner got down on one knee, okay, and asked for your hand in marriage, would you be ready to say yes? And what are the signs that you are actually ready to get engaged?
Okay.
Going through some of those today on Girl
Why,
Talk.
yes.
Source is weddingwire.ca. So let's see this list. And,
First thing on it says you can't imagine life without them. I will say in a healthy way. In a healthy way. Yeah.
Because you have some very unhealthy ways.
Can't imagine life without them.
Yes, you're not an I anymore.
Can't imagine life without you. Always thought we'd make a perfect pair.
You know what about that one that said, I can't live if living is without you? Some of them love songs you really have to listen to carefully.
Yes.
Okay.
You're not an I anymore, you're a we. It means you're thinking about the other person as much as you are about yourself and your welfare. I like it.
But you can also be at this place and not be ready for a ring.
Yeah. But you're on your way there.
Yes. You spend so much time together that you're practically roommates, or you already are.
Yeah.
Okay. Roommates.
Practically.
Roommates for me have a different connotation. Because some people, after their relationship goes bad, that's when they turn into roommates. They're in the same space, but...
Yeah, sharing space, but not.
Right.
Yeah. You've talked about babies and baby names on more than one occasion. Kamisha Swaby, can I scandal you? I think I can. Yesterday, she put up something on Twitter that she tweeted in 2016.
Yes, I saw it.
Yeah, that in 2020, she's going to be watching the Tokyo Games with her husband and first child. And she's actually married with first child on the way in 2020. She was like, oh my God, did I speak this into being? Sometimes you have to speak things into being.
It's true?
Yes. So ladies about and say, Lord, up here liad man, me always I meet. Lord, me can't find no good man. You're speaking that into being. Stop saying it.
So what we must say?
I am going to find a good man.
Soon.
I am going to meet men that have integrity. I'm going to meet men like Haro, but that's okay. That's okay because there are other men out there that are going to be. So you have to... Yeah.
Love you, Haro.
You have to come here, move over there.
Oh, you're dying to take your partner's last name.
Yeah. Maybe I'm finding that more and more women these days.
Some women don't interest.
Yeah. But some do, and some people sit down and write them name and them partner last name on a paper.
Visualization.
And every little game that have
manifestation.
Names. Yes.
Okay, so you
it
would,
works.
You know, Dahlia could write. What would Dahlia Harrow look like on a piece? No.
But her name Harris. I don't know if I like the name Harrow. And not much change.
Harris Harrow.
And not much change. So.
Harrowing.
And not much change. So I mean,
You're never bored with them by your side.
True.
Sometimes you want to be bored with them by your side because some man and some woman take you through so much drama that a little boredom is welcome.
Look, man, your
your
parents married for 48 years, and I think if they had to marry them one another tomorrow,
they would do it again. 48. And they are never bored by each other's side.
No.
Love to see it. Love to see it. They make chores and mundane activities fun to the point where you want to do laundry with them every day.
I'm gonna say
Pass.
there's someone out there
For everybody.
who this applies to. I'm
Pass.
gonna say that.
Pass.
There's someone out there that this applies to.
Pass. You've seen them at their very best and their very worst, and you love them both.
Yeah, man. That's a sign.
Real thing.
If you can accept them at their worst.
Why are you laughing, Haro? Oh my
Oh.
gosh. Okay.
What do you mean? If we've seen Colson at his worst, we've seen Colson at his best, then we don't want to marry Colson. Why would I say we see Colson at his worst? No, I don't need to hear it.
We know
There's a
exactly
reason
what
we're
you're
not hearing
saying.
him. Your mom spends more time on the phone with your partner than she does with you. That's my last couple and forever I do, you know. Him say, my mother called me like for 30 seconds. Andre. And him send him when she call Lisa. Me say 1 minute gone, 2 minutes gone, 3 minutes gone. I remember say, mommy and me and your son, you know. So, you know, that's a sign.
You say you have
Extra, you call them before you say yes to any plans. Yes. Yes.
You know what they're thinking by watching their expressions? Yes.
Yes.
They're your plus one to any event.
Mm-hmm.
Willing to make compromises even when you really don't want to. And they're your emergency contact.
Oh, yes, man.
Delia said it. Forever I Do. Couples married 5 months to 48 years on her YouTube page. Guys, please watch it. It is a beautifully uplifting series of love stories. So lovely to watch and just makes you know that love is lovely all the time.
And that love has its challenges.
Yes, but once you persist,
Yes.
you'll be
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Are we out of here for today?
We are. All right, guys. Upcycle. Smile done. Go take out all of the clothes then we can upcycle.
Stitching time.
And upcycle them and take a picture and send it come show him.
That would be nice.
Yes.
I think so.
Yes.
Have a great Tuesday, everybody, girls and non-girls alike. Girl Power Tuesday, that's it for today. Tomorrow, Empress is back with Neferil, so tune in
Empressita.
for that. Thursday, this one is back here. And Friday, I'm back here with Neferil. We say good morning to Saki. Sakina
Waki.
there with our big tune in our festival.
Yes.
We need to play it one morning to everybody. All right, bye. Take care.
Years will have to pass.